morning and welcome to Grime-Time with Rudy in the GuysWithRides Garage. It's my daily vlog for Friday, June 19th and what I was working on in here. So, two projects came up on Friday. The first being the continuing saga with my 84 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz air conditioning. I went and picked up the other rebuilt AC Delco compressor. That looks very good, other than the fact the electrical connection for the compressor cutout is held in the back with a snap ring, and the folks at Advanced Auto Parts could not use that. So the core I had with me already, I had to bring back home so I can use my snap ring pliers and take care of that. So I have the compressor out. I'm cleaning the intake manifold, and I went to take, so my second iteration, I'm going to show a couple parts here. This was originally when you're doing an AC system, you need to replace the canister, dryer, accumulator, whatever you want to call it. This is the part that I got received from Napa. Napa is a disaster. But you see the two outlets here, and then the two vents are all on top. Nothing on the bottom. I realized that the factory unit has this U-shape, has this like kitchen sink drain type of thing going on, and the one outlet on top. So that's when I went back to Napa, they said, no, this is the part. Of course, it's not. So friends at Advanced Auto did have a part, but then I realized nothing came with the proper tube does not come with the part. So stuck again. Long story short, did a little research online, and of all places, a company called an aftermarket air conditioning company called Four Seasons, the number 4 Seasons altogether. They actually offer a similar part with a tube kit that it looks like for an El Camino, but I'm going to make it work. And through the beauty of Amazon, it's going to be here Tuesday. So that'll give me a chance to detail the engine a little bit more, perhaps get the compressor and blow out the lines instead of rushing through like I probably would have otherwise. So I took out the old compressor and with the thought I was going to be replacing the new one, and with this latest debacle on the dryer, I said, well, I'll just put the car back together real quick without the compressor in place, and that way at least I can run the car, get it out of the garage if I need to. Well, unfortunately, if I showed you that picture again of the compressor, it sits right on the top of the V of the V8 in the Cadillac. And unlike modern engines with the one Serpentine belt, this car has 4 belts driving the various power systems. And by my leaving the compressor off on the top of the engine, I lose power steering and I think some vacuum for other things. So as you can imagine, this car without power steering is going to give me a good arm workout. There's a car show, the Father's Day car show in town here at the local Assembly of God Church that I was hoping to take this car to. So that's the latest and greatest in the Guys with Rides Garage. I'll probably not vlog anything until Monday, but we shall see. Happy Father's Day to those who celebrate, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.